The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Thursday. Hope everyone had a great night. Hope we're ready for a great day. Morning, Walter. Morning, G-Man. Kevin. Nice to see y'all. Let's take a look at what the markets did overnight. First of all, let's take a look at what the markets did yesterday. Jerome Powell said stuff that the market loved, and we saw NQ blow up by 500 points. It's been kind of coming slightly down since, but even so, we're above 12,000, which is the first, and it's the first time we've ever been above 12,000. Well, since November 15th, so it did pop up there, but other than that, you can see that that was an anomaly there. We'll see if it comes back down. High of last night, Globex was here, 12,082, and fell, or low here, 11,992, so less than 100 points of range, about 90 points of range. I'm sorry, yeah, no, that's right, yeah, okay. Early morning math throw me off. Copper had a great day yesterday. Big boom on it yesterday. See here, today has about 140 ticks of range. Gold also had a great day. Actually, it's making a new daily high there, almost at 1800. That's significant for gold, as it hasn't been there in a while. It has about 16 points of range. Just take a look at that real quick. 1800 hasn't been seen. This high has not been seen. Wow. Since way back yonder, looks like August 15th or so. Quite the move there on gold. Ultra Bond making new daily highs. Even I just set that yellow line like 10 minutes ago. Up to 139.08. That's also significant. You can see it hasn't been there in a while either. So Jerome Powell maybe start a Santa Claus rally, or maybe this is a fool's breakout. We'll see over the next month. Crude also making a new daily high there, 81.78. It dipped below 80 a little bit last night, so a little less than 2 points of range. And last but not least, natural gas. It's about 190 ticks of range. It's about mid-range right there. So that's where the markets are standing right now. Let's take a look at our ES chart as it's heading up, 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 up. But obviously not to the highs. You see the high of the night looks like 40.94, I believe, maybe, or maybe, yeah. Or maybe on that first candle they opened there. Let's see. Yeah, it looks like 40.96. Good morning, Dave. So that's where we stand, watching ES come up. Beautiful move there. Looks like we got some volatility already. These are bigger candles. We got news this morning. We got news. Let's wait for the page to load on the news. So, at 8:30, U.S. PCE price index, U.S. initial jobless claims, U.S. consumer spending month over month. Three big pieces of news right there all at once, plus U.S. personal income, U.S. real personal consumption, U.S. continued jobless claims, and Canadian labor productivity rate. We have a Fed speaker at 9:15, a Fed speaker at 9:20, a Fed speaker at the bell. And also right at the bell, Canadian and S&P manufacturing PMI. At 9:45, U.S. S&P manufacturing PMI. 10 o'clock, US ISM manufacturing PMI, US ISM manufacturing prices paid. Construction spending month over month and a couple of other little things. At 10:30, we have natural gas. At 11, we have another Fed speaker. Holy news, Batman. And then, of course, tomorrow's non-farm payrolls. So what if we're heading up here to come down with some news? I don't know. It's quite the rally, like I said. You can see ES did the same thing NQ did yesterday. That's a daily chart, but yeah, bop, 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 bop. So we'll watch and see what we can get out of the market today. Right now, extended to the upside. Oh, all but one of the prop firms allow you to trade. Well, actually, they now all allow you to all the futures prop firms allow you to trade news. There's no news restrictions anymore. A couple of the Forex prop firms don't let you trade news. And there's a new prop firm for futures that has so many news restrictions, it's absolutely crazy, and they're going to end up dying a quick death. But all the ones that I trust and would recommend allow you to trade news. So on the good news, bad news front, and I can't say bad news, but odd news that I need to figure out. I'm up $427 on my funded earned to trade account from the bot. Now, why is that possibly bad news as well? Well, I shut the bot off after it was up 227, and somehow it continued taking trades. Now, it obviously did a good job, but the fact that it continued taking trades, and I don't know why it continued taking trades, because I had it unchecked, it told it to stop, and it's not like it just took one trade, it took three. So I got to figure out why it's doing that, because, I mean, obviously if it had done that and it went the wrong way, I've been very upset. But that said, like I said, up 400. It's actually 421. So that accounts back into the green, which is nice. Hey, Robin. Good morning. Oh, I don't know. It doesn't show me yesterday's news results. Let's see if I have it somewhere. U.S. core PCE prices preliminary was 4.6 and the forecast was 4.5. So watching it around 40.83. Let's see if anything else is doing anything interesting. Gold, you see this nice move up for last couple hours here. A bit of a pullback. You see crude pulling back now. Got up to 81.83. Copper. Ultravon has just been rolling all night long. All night long tonight. Sorry. Bitcoin's back above 17,000. Doge is up in tens. Ethereum slightly under 13. Agriculture. It's actually mixed night on ag. I guess, G-Man, it's either going to go up or down. Jingle bells are ringing. Excuse me 1 second. Guys, see, we might have found a top. Kind of consolidating here. They're hitting 40.84.75. Maybe not. Never mind. Another quick burst up there. Well, to that same level. Let's see if it gets through it. It did. This would have been a good trigger candle down here. Even this would have worked. A little bit more risky, but it would have worked with a 3-point stop. Or even a 2.5. Boop, 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 boop. Excuse me. Oh, back down. Now we might have seen a top. We'll see. We shall see what we shall see. And if we don't see it, then we won't see it. I am full of knowledge today. I'm full of something. Just, yep, there we are, coming down. Short 18 UB. Nice there, Robin. Very nice. Ride that sucker down. Watching ES or possible short entry here, waiting a bit. Well, good I waited because ETF just logged me out. Let me log back in. And it's also good I waited because that just popped back up there. Yep, that could have been disaster had I taken a short there. This is why I wait for my signal. Had a good trading day yesterday. 4 for 5. Was up like, what, 240, I think? Hoping to duplicate that today. And Q popping up to 12,048. See, it's an area of consolidation back here, right before Europe opened. Same thing here for ES. This was a choppy area back here before Europe started selling off. Great trade, Robin. Just hit 408575. About 10 minutes till the top of the hour. Be calm before the storm here with news and a bunch of news there at 8:30. Yep, definitely glad I waited there and didn't just try and take a short randomly. That trade, if I had taken a short randomly, that trade would have shorted out. Reminder that all. Oh yeah, I'm not even sure what the new earn to trade. Let's go look to see if I can find out. Earn to trade should have launched a new monthly deal. Their Black Friday sale ended last night. Let's see if I can find out. Sometimes they don't. They end up delaying a launch. Let's see. No, they're still advertising the Black Friday sale. I'm gonna jump here. Let me go over here. Just like Gabs know, in case he was unaware. More than that. There's a little bit of a pullback. Hi, Walter. See you there on the Discord. I just did your I'm doing your verification for you, so you can get around that. You should now see everything in the Discord. See it pull back there. See if it comes down here, and see if this was our top. That's why I don't guess tops and bottoms, because I suck at it. I just found out. Matt, the problem is okay. No matter when the trade, even if the trade is set to end at 11 a.m. I'm sorry, 11 p.m. Even if it's set to 11 p.m. and it doesn't hit a profit target or a stop loss, the system, even though it doesn't continue trading that trade, it still thinks that trade's active, and then it totally blocks out the next 24 hours. So if the trade ends at 11 p.m., not in profit, not in stop, it'll still block out the next 24 hours, midnight to midnight, meaning that no trades be taken on that next Asia section the next day. Sorry, guys. A little bit of technical issue with NinjaTrader playback, and that is the one that we give the headaches to on that. So basically, if the trade ends without target being hit or stop being hit, it blocks out the next day. But it doesn't. That's the exactly, Matt. That's the problem. It will not take a trade the next day. And I tried it with market close at midnight, and I've tried it with market close at normal time, and it doesn't. It will not take a trade the next day, next evening session. It did not for me. I can show you the results where it skipped the next day if a trade closed either. If a trade closed, wait, hold on. Maybe now I'm mixing it up because give me a minute, guys. Give me a look. Okay, I have it up here. Give me a sec, guys. Up, down, then back, right back up. Little bounce there. Think we are heading down, but we'll see what happens at the top of the hour. Okay, hold on 1 second. See, it's still topping there. Yep, still going up. Yes, still trying to push up here. Top of the hour move. No real move, but still pushing. Gold right under 18. Crude oil still kind of falling. Q continuing to push up, of course. Ultra bond kind of flat now. Copper with a nice move. Dow, of course, rallying as well. Natural gas, just kind of there. Still rising up. Maybe an all-day rally. No. Sure, news will send some shockwaves through the market. This which way will it go? Oh wow, another nice burst. See, and I hate this. I mean, I don't. Here's what I thought we might be coming down. It went back above, and I've looked at this, and I tell myself, when it does something like that, I should get in. And obviously, I should have got in. But sometimes that can be hard, especially since I was already having a bias that I thought it should fall. So, but obviously, it's gone up another 3.5 points from there. So we're still watching it come up. How far will it go, George? $4,089. Big push here. 25 minutes until news. Markets just see here, just in the last 35 minutes or so, 40 minutes or so, come up another 11 points. AQ now up to 12,062. High of the session was 12,082, so it's only off 25 points off its high. Was a bigger candle than we've seen. Oftentimes, moves like this can end with a big impulse candle. see, but maybe not. Give me 1 second. A little bit of a pullback there. Yep, still 490, 40.91. This is why I've learned my lesson not try to guess where the top of something is. So I thought the top was back here 7 points ago. Oh wow. Those are buy orders, Dave? A little bit of a pullback there. Not much. And Q. Q's not rising as quickly. Gold, a little bit of a pullback. Oh, look at crude there. Crude all of a sudden spiked. Back up to 81.88 and then crashed back down. Or there was something there. Oh, OPEC output fell 550K barrels per day in November. That news came out like 30 minutes ago. I'm not sure why oil decided to like spike 30 minutes later. Oh, sell orders. Okay, cool. So it's starting to hit a wall possibly here. Pulling back. So we got up to 40.91.25. Let's pull back by about 2.5 points. Little bounce on the EMA. Still watching here. So I just got word that the December sale on Earn to Trade is going to be on the Trader Career Path to 25K. But I did not find out how much that was going to be. So kind of consolidating around 40.90. Let's see where we go. So officially December. Oh, look at natural gas. Pop up there. Popped up about 155 ticks, pulling back. So not sure what just caused that to blow up. Oh, it came down a little bit, but trying to push back up. We'll see. Little Christmas pole there. When do you put up your Christmas tree? And it only allowed me 4 options, so for those that don't put up a Christmas tree, I didn't have that option. Good morning, Dakota. How are you? Hey, Zabak. Nice job, Robin. Great job, Zavok. And we dipped and right back up. Remember, we have news in 9 minutes. Honestly expected a dip before now, but guess we'll wait till the news. Good morning, JC. Okay, so 40.91 and 3/4 new high. Yep, we will see what the news brings us. By the way, reminder, folks, Friday, December 16th, Greg over at Weenie Trades will be live interviewing Daryl Martin, founder and owner of Apex Trader Funding. Starting at 11 a.m. right after the stream ends here. So we all can go over and support Greg and see what Daryl Martin has to say about trading and props and whatever else Greg decides to ask him. Yeah, I think it's going to be a good interview. That said, Weenie needs to do a couple of live streams to advertise it himself as well, because he told me about it one-on-one. I don't know if he's advertised it at all. I know he said he was taking this entire week off streaming to get ready for a test. Would be cool if Apex would send an email out where we give his channel a boost. Four minutes till news. I don't think they'll do it. An FTX just simply because Apex has a history with their other business that they've been around for years and years before they launched Apex Trader Funding. George Mitchell, I read the rules, found the new rule. Which new rule to be very sketchy? And welcome, George. FTX, that was just a huge mess. The be nice rule. Wait. I missed the be nice rule. Of course, I didn't read. Someone. Be nice to who? I'm confused. Yes, JC, I absolutely agree. But that said, you don't really want a business deciding who's being naughty and who's being nice if it means money's involved. Oh, you better watch out. You better not cry. You better not pout. I'm telling you why. Apex Trader funding will fail you. He sees you when you're sleeping. That'd be kind of creepy if Daryl Martin sees you when you're sleeping. Oh, big burst down there right here before news. Less than a minute till news. We're going to get all kinds of wildness. Let's quickly, we'll go to both NQ and ES and watch our gold crude NQ and ES. I do. I do believe in Santa Claus. I believe in Santa Claus. Hey, news. Well, so far it has. Oh, whoop, there we go. Algos took a minute, or took a couple seconds, I should say. Down. Wow. Holy Hannah. So he dropped 38 points on NQ, burst back up. There's 3 different news reports. The algos don't know what to do. They're totally confused. Correct, Larry. Now we're green. NQ up 19. ES up 5. NQ's about to hit 12,100. ES stopped right before 4,100. 40.9825 is the high. Let's go take a quick gander at the numbers. U.S. consumer spending month over month, actual 0.8. The forecast was 0.8. Very good forecasting there. U.S. PCE price index year over year 6.0. The forecast was 6. Hey, their forecasts are excellent today. U.S. initial jobless claims actual 225K. The forecast was 235K, so that was a beat. Canadian labor productivity rate 0.6. Expected was 0.3. All the other numbers were close And so yeah, the numbers were all basically around expectations. But we're taking off here. Crude oil also burst up 29 ticks up to above 82. Gold's indecisive about what it wants to do. NQ now up 40 points up to 12,114. Quite the dip. Dip, rip. Rip, dip, 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 rip. Yes, I realize that kind of sounding like I'm having an attack of some sort. $4,102.25 is the high now. Obviously, NQ made new daily highs. It's highest we've been here now since, well, okay, this spike up here, 12,118 back on November 15th. It came with it just passed that. So we're now the highest we've been since, looks like September 15th, after the great CPI crash of September. Quite the chart there. Yes. 4103. $41.04. You're just gonna go up all day, I guess. Honestly, I thought the news was gonna bring us down. I still think we're gonna come down here a little bit, maybe. But obviously, I'm not gonna play it until the trend proves to no longer be my friend. If John Burrell's listening, that'll bring him out of the woodwork. Look at that spike on BTC there as well. Coming right back down. Doge up nicely. Nice, Dakota. Yeah, Ultra Bond really didn't spike, not much, but that was just a nice slow grind up. Now we're seeing a little bit of a pullback. Bearish engulfing. Great job, Zabak. So 4104. It's fallen about 6 points. Consider taking a short here. Should have, obviously. I even said bearish engulfing. My cat's trying to get my attention. Yep, a little bounce again. So, I mean, it's definitely not coming down with any velocity. And popping right back up. So again, that was a bullish engulfing. I don't usually play candlestick patterns like that, but seeing them there, and that one, both of those would have worked. That's really interesting, Zabak. I didn't realize that the margins were that low. Hey, Rich. Good morning. Good morning, Chris. So this is 6E you're talking about, Zabak? This right here? 6E? M60? Okay. Oh, okay, the micro. Okay, I gotcha. And what's the tick value on that? Oh, wait, MGE? Okay, I was confused for a second. That's a problem. You're good. What's the tick value on that Zavok, if you don't mind my asking? Uh, Getting a little warning from YouTube about quality. I'm not sure why. May need to hit that live button to get back to the live broadcast and may see some swirling. Hopefully it corrects. This has to be a YouTube issue because I have no other issues going on right now. That said, I don't remember what I was going to do. Oh yeah, I remember now. Alright. Thank you, Zabak. So it moved about 50 ticks, Zabak. Yeah, Chris, it's on my end. Not sure why, but my YouTube's yelling at me. It looks like it's trying to correct now. Hit the live button. Nope, still swirling a bit here. Nope, it says it's getting no data. Come on. There we go. It looks like we have about a 5-second delay right now. Eh, now we're back to about 2 seconds. There we go. I can't stand hearing myself. I don't know. Mute myself. There we go. Yeah, I'm not sure what's going on. It's still giving me errors here. Hopefully it corrects here soon. About 45 minutes to the bell. Morning, Ace. Chris, are you still fuzzy? Oh yeah, back to ES. Sorry. Ooh, pull back. Nice. How's Ace today? That's a trigger candle. Strong move down finally. Taking a short here. Oh yeah, amp. I see amp down on the list. Ah, little bounce here. So if it goes back down for me. Down 5 ticks here. Right under 4,100. I'm in at 40.97.75. My stop's at 4100.75. There we go. Nice push. Target hit. There's the winner. $100. First trade of today is a winner. Thank you, JC and Dakota. And this account is ETF accounts back to green. Flat G-Man, okay. Yeah, nice move down. I mean, obviously I could have got more out of there. G-Man with a good call where it was going. So how did they scam people, Zabak? Oh, that ape equity. Okay, I see. Yeah, I didn't really follow all that stuff when all that was happening. Excellent, Ace. Yeah, I wish I had held a little bit longer, but I'm happy. I'm happy with being green and back to green totally on the account. Nice for money. The $1,455 to pass this account from this point. Sorry, $1,445. Yes, it is. Unless you're eating bread. You see, gold is now climbing, has gotten back. It's easy for me to say, has gotten above 1800, well above it, up to 1804. Crude oil above 82. Everything's feeling positive today. Copper's running. Ultra bond pulled back though. Nanoproxin. All right. Not sure what nanoproxin is. I see but yeah, metformin is the first line. Defense doctors usually give. Did he say diabetes or pre-diabetes? What's your A? Did he tell you what your A1C is? You can get continuous glucose monitors that kind of stick to your arm, so you don't have to prick your fingers. But I would definitely. I mean, obviously, I'm not a doctor. I don't play one on TV. But as someone that's diagnosed with type 2 for over 20 years now, definitely would recommend getting as low carb as you can. It's more expensive, and your insurance might not cover it. They cost, I want to say, $200 to $300 though. Absolutely agree, Matt. Absolutely agree. But yeah, low carb is the way to go for a diabetic, pre-diabetic. Popping back up here, trying to send a trigger. Don't really like it here though. We are 33 minutes to the bell. Nice job, G-Man. Hey, John. Good morning. Glad to hear that. Yeah, I noticed that, G. It worked really well for you there. Uh, Getting a trigger candle here. Don't know. I don't really like it there though, so we're gonna hold off. John, I turned my on my earn to trade account. I turned my algo off last night when it was up $227, but apparently the bot decided it wanted to keep trading. I have no idea why, but it took two more trades and I ended up $421. So that was a nice surprise I woke up to. Kind of scary, but that it did it while I was sleeping. But um, up 421 on the day for earn to trade with the bot. The My bot would I didn't run the bot yesterday afternoon during power hour, but it would not have taken a trade anyway. Good luck on that there, Dakota. Back down here. So it's good not to take that trigger. I don't think so. No? I don't think so. Wouldn't even know how to have multiple workspaces open. I have it. It's the one I have on yours, Matt. It's the second night in a row that it's done it, or that it's entered a trade after I unchecked the check mark. So I don't know. I have to figure it out. So we are top of the hour here. Possibly should have taken this short, but crude oil, energies markets open. So far, crude's not really doing much there. Yeah, I mean, I might have had a second instance of something open, but I mean, I'm not aware. I definitely had it unchecked after it closed out trades last night. Nice job, Dakota. That's your second win of the day, correct? There's crude popping. Wow. So it took a minute, but crude just popped up 36. No, but it's definitely something I want to get. Yes, I should have taken that short. Yeah, it's definitely a good idea. Yeah, I want to get some once I have money rolling in, get a backup like that for both the computer and the modem router, whatever. So nice move there on crude. I want to get a second computer built so that I have a backup computer in case something goes wrong with one. All ideas that I eventually have to do. So that would have worked, by the way. That would have been a good trigger candle. Yep. See, and here it's it's a bigger issue. We have a lot of wind here in central Illinois, and just a windy day where there's a wind advisory can sometimes knock out power. But we also have lots of severe thunderstorms, and those can knock out power on a regular basis. And then way back, 2006, there was an ice storm here. That point in time, I wasn't living in the city. I was living out in one of the farm communities. The power was out for 7 days. The entire town was living at the fire department if they didn't have another place to go. And now it's trying to trigger back up. So we're seeing some volatility here now. I don't like that trigger up there, though. Of course, I said that on the last trigger that it didn't take. And that was actually a fun week, though, because I spent the week running the radio room at the fire department. Once again, I doubted the trigger, and I shouldn't have doubted the trigger. Actually, it hasn't given me 2 points yet, so maybe I gave it its purple too soon. We'll see. But yeah, Ameren, which is the power company around here, they're not the best in the world by any means. I don't understand in a place that gets a lot of wind and a lot of severe thunderstorms and can get tornadoes, why they don't bury the lines. You have all these power poles, running with no protection along the highways and stuff. Bury the frickin' lines. Give me a second. Let me find that. 1, 2, 3, 4. 12. Yeah, the 12 green ones. That's correct. The only ones that are off are the ones that are set to my live sim account. And the backtest strategies. And I don't know where the backtest strategies came from because I didn't do that. But yeah, that's right, Matt. The second. Hold on. Yeah, no. It's the MES one that ran. I'm not sure. You know what? Okay, never mind. I'm stupid, I think. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. I still don't know what's happening. It was the MES one that ran twice. As far as I'm aware, but now maybe not. Now, I don't know. I might have screwed something up now that I'm looking at it. I thought Yeah, never mind. I made a mistake. I'm an idiot. I never unchecked the MES. I unchecked the 2 MNQs, even though the 1 MNQ is for power hour. Yep, never mind. It was me. User error as usual. This was a good trade. This was a good trigger. One day Matt's gonna get tired of us all and disappear like Vincent Nieves. Maybe I need to take Matt's wrench away before he decides to ban me from my own stream. Folks, if you're enjoying our playful banter and the entire rest of the stream, appreciate if you hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. In prop firm discount news, Lilo has announced their 12 working days of trading Christmas will start today. 12 days of Christmas working, whatever. From now until December 16th, they'll be announcing different discounts each day. Don't know whether I'll keep up with that on the Discord or not. Because honestly, it's kind of a pain. But, we'll try. So one trade this morning, it was a good in. Got back up to 4,100 there and bounced back down. Or trying to bounce back down. There's NQ moving down. I don't know. NQ look a little. NQ's looking kind of smoother than ES is right now. That's a trigger candle. Possible bounce candidate though there. Yep. Bounced. by a tick. Got 16 minutes till the bell. No Burrow again today. Ace is, Ace was here, that's right. RJ, no RJ yet. He's been coming in a bit later. I'm taking a short here. That's too much of an impulse. I should not have done that. Ooh, actually, it didn't trigger me. I thought it triggered me, and it didn't. This was a mistake all around. Let's see if I... Yeah. Misread that. I thought I forgot the trigger, and I didn't. We shall see what we shall see. There's RJ. Good morning, RJ. Yep. Stopped out. That was just a total stupid move on my part there. I'm not sure how I misread that. That was a total mistake. Never gave me the trigger. Somehow I swear it did. So we're down $33 now today. Stupidity. Absolute stupidity. $15 to the bell. And now it's triggering, so I'm just curious here. Hey, you know, it stopped me out top tick. I moved the stop down. I wouldn't still be in this trade if I hadn't moved the stop. Moved the stop because the trade was an accident, or, you know, they should not have been taken, and just a myriad of errors there. That's the trigger. And, of course, you know, I was in at 40.96 and a half. Let's see if it goes down to 40.94 and a half, which would have been my profit target. Excuse me one second. Would have reached profit target. That's frustrating on so many levels. Actually, this is why I sounded like Mr. Ed. So a trade I should have never took, but would have reached profit target if I wouldn't have moved the stop. But I moved the stop because I said that I should have never took the trade. Which came first, the chicken or the egg? This popped back up. So that trigger candle would not have worked. Well, I shouldn't say that, but we'll see. Hasn't stopped. Wouldn't have stopped that yet. Either way. Crude pulled back after that nice move up. Gold still grinding up all the way up to 1810. Copper, kind of a grind as well. Natural gas, after that big explosive move earlier, is kind of leveled. Ultra bond dipping. Boop, 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 boop. Come for the trading, stay for the sound effects. Oh, what? Okay, good luck on that, JC. All right. That means you just got stopped out there, JC? And we're just kind of sideways here. Market's taking a breath before the bell. $139. You're long there? Not going well. There's a new member that's popped on Discord named Geo. If you're in here, let me know and I'll do your manual verification. And I don't like manually verifying people I don't know. No, John, the roll doesn't happen until next week. And then the roll would be to March. Hey, Jay. No need to apologize, Jay. I am? How old are you, John? I don't consider 40 years a lot younger. There's a back up to 139 there. Nope. 48. Yeah, gold is straight up. Ouch, yeah. Up and then right back down. UB has been kind of smacking you around lately, JC. I wouldn't take that. We're kind of sideways here as we go into the bell. This would have stopped me out. So that trigger candle did not earn its purple. It's blue. I'll have a blue trigger candle. Yeah, gold is straight up. Let's see. Look at this gold. Look at that. I mean, had a little pullback after news, and then whoosh. All right, don't we have more news today? As a matter of fact, but first of all, here's gold on the. You can see where I set the line as we came on, and just that's 14 points basically. That's what I thought they could have. Thank you. I remember saying about it, and then I tend to forget these things. Uh, oh, we actually have Canadian S&P manufacturing PMI right at the bell. That's always fun. Yeah, U.S. S&P manufacturing PMI at 945 and U.S. ISM manufacturing PMI at 10 plus some other things. So let's get in position here as we wait for the silver bells. Silver bells. Ouch. Yeah, you just never know when the market's going to turn on you. It's the one problem with the algo is got to figure out when to adjust them. When, when do they stop working and how do you fix them when they stop working? Ding 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 ding. Down a little bit here. 2 points on ES, 10 points, 12 and now it's a fall. 15 points on NQ, 4 on ES. Gold pulling back just slightly. Crew doesn't care. NQ's giving back its entire news pop. I really did feel like down was going to be the direction of the day because of what we did yesterday. We'll see if this smooth sustains. Down 5 points on ES. We're down 20 on NQ. And right back up. So now we're green on ES by a point. NQ still down by 5. Popping up. 2 points on ES. NQ now up by 12. So NQ dipped about 26 points. ES dipped about 6 points. But now we're green. Like a Christmas tree. Oh, Tannenbaum. Anyway. Still got 2 minutes to go in this opening 5-minute candle. No Crypticon this morning yet. I hope he didn't do something bad. Might blow his apexes. ES now up 4. NQ up 22. Ah! Hello, Crypticon, and why? What happened? All of the Apexes are gone? YM? Oh, yeah. YM lost 78 points there at the open. And it's continuing. It's just, they're going totally opposite direction of the other indices. Yeah, we're totally. This is weird. NQ's now green. ES is slightly red. YM is redder than I don't know, Santa Claus's suit. And there's the close of the 5-minute candle. Good job, John. So let's go back to our. We ended up, by the way, 20 points on NQ. Complete doji there almost on ES. It was up one tick. Dow, though, on that opening 5, let's go to a 5-minute chart there, was down 104 points. I didn't remember when a 104-point move on the Dow would cause people to start jumping off of ledges. Uh, anyway, let's go back to our 1-minute chart here on ES. Good morning, Burl. That's a good positive way to look at it there, Crypticon. So this is the 1-minute chart of what we are looking at there, and that would have been ugly to trade, but he could have probably got something out of it. I wouldn't have traded it. That dip, though, below that Bollinger and the RSI was a nice move to play back upwards. And back down. Down, up, down, up, down. Right, left, right, left, right. So, John, did your algo, or John Burl, sorry, Burl, did your algo catch any of that huge move yesterday? Or because it started so late, did it not get in? G-Mans are quiet. And again, we're popping back up. So very choppy market. Choppy, choppy, choppy. Gold pulled back here by about 3 points. Oh, there's a move down in ES. Crude grinding up, trying to get up to 83. Now ES is falling. ES now is totally giving back the news pop. We have another bit of news coming in 5 minutes. Be aware, U.S. S&P manufacturing PMI final. A little bounce though. No, slightly lower low. Obviously lower highs. Mm, don't like this at all right now. So we're staying out, sitting on our hands, as Mr. G would say. YM popping back up there a bit. Copper still grinding up. Ultra Bond still grinding down. Kind of busy. What do you mean kind of busy, Jay? And yeah, I kind of figured that, John. That I thought, usually you need to enter in toward the beginning of the New York session. So we popped up there. Let's look. I don't use the Bollinger Bands much anymore because of the way they make the screen look, but yeah, it didn't really tell me about it. It was gonna pop up there. Now we are getting a trigger candle to the upside. 5 green candles in a row. Strong candle there. 2 points. 2.5. Getting pushed back down. Not taking this trigger because we have news. And besides, it's giving away half its candle. So there's the news pop. Let's see what we get, if anything. Yep, should have taken it. Would have got my 2. So it earned its trigger. I mean, it's earned its purple, sorry. Nope. No, I said purple. Purple. Thank you. Nice move there. Let's see what the news was. US S&P manufacturing PMI final actual 47.7. They expect it was 47.6, so pretty much on point. We also have a Fed speaker speaking that was not on the schedule. Oh yeah, he was. I'm sorry, he was. I forgot. We have Fed speakers this morning as well. Bowman started speaking at 9:30. Apparently he's So Crypticon, is your funded account set up yet? Have you traded it yet? Nice. Chris Moore, I haven't heard from you for a while. Everything okay over there? Oh, very nice. Hey, Justin, doing all right. Down slightly on a stupid trade that I should have never took. Yeah, that would have been bad. Yep, we're heading back up now. You see, we kind of double topped here. Nope. Yeah, totally missed that there. There at 40.99 and a half. And of course, we had a 4100 and a half over here. So these are resistance. That's me trying to speak French, and that doesn't work well either. It's trying to run. It's trying to run. Just hit that same top area. Let's see if it breaks through. And it did break on through to the other side. We get rid of that little line there, I guess. Back up to 4101. NQ rising up to 12121. Gold took that little dip. Now back up to doing a bigger rip. Up to 1815. Crew doesn't care right now. Wow, big rip here. Look at it go. Remember, we got more news in 10 minutes. Still ripping. 4104 and a half. Now, might we kind of come down here? See if we get a bearish engulfing here. We might take a short. Maybe. Ooh. Maybe not now. That's a bit too big for my tastes. Thought about taking a short there after that candle ended up being more wick than body. And we would have got 2 points. Obviously, could have got 3. But now we have to be careful of it, this just being a one candle pullback and back up. Or even not even a full candle. We'll see. Right now, see, it's already more wick than body on this side. Watching it here. Bit indecisive right above 4,100. We are trying to pull down. Up, up, up. Down, down, down. 5 minutes until more news. This was a very newsy week. I think next week is a lot less news. I know we have PPI at the end of the week on Friday, next Friday. But then the week after, we have CPI and FOMC on back-to-back days. Do a push up. Oh, okay. How everything okay, Chris? Uh, yeah, NFPs tomorrow. Uh, maybe not this month. John might do that again in January. Still pushing back up here. Yeah, IQ bursting up to 12,136. Again, these are highs we have not seen since September. Pull one back again. So up, down, up, slightly lower. Trying to push down, so we're watching that. Could be the sign that it's finally exhausted. Ultra bond trying to move back up after it came down pretty steep. See, this is the move on the ultra bond. Quite a, gave back over half of its gains on the day. Pop down, bounced on the EMA. Let's see if it tries to break it here. Here. It's bouncer. It's flirting with being a trigger. Now, some more direct. Wow. Whoa, there's news. Boom. So new high of day there, 41.10. Immediately pulled all the way back. And Q burst up to 12,145 and all the way back. And now red. Trying to go red here. Thought about hitting the short button. Should have. Wow. There we go. So from 41.10 all the way down to 40.89, 20-point drop from the very top. And Q doing the same, down 26 points on this candle, but down over 40 points overall from the top. Gold, I didn't really care. Actually popped up a little bit. Crude popping up a little bit. That was quite the move. Let me look at the actual report. US ISM manufacturing PMI actual 49. Forecast was 49.7, so that was a miss. So nice move down. Continuing to dump here. Really wish I had hit that short button. I really considered it once it was coming back down. Not too loud, not too low. Oh, I don't know. I really don't look at volume, but we can take a gander at that. Can you hear me now? Do you hear what I hear? Somewhere here, there we go. I got volume there. Let's see. Daily volume. Yesterday I had a good daily volume. Of course, Powell helped with that. We're today so far we're only 20% of yesterday's volume. So that's interesting. Have to see how that finishes. But yeah, volume's down today. That would be fun, Jay. Little boost up, little come back down here. Look for the Christmas tree pattern. I really want to go short here. I think we're going short, but yet it's not a trigger, and whenever I go with my feelings, I end up kicking myself. So let's see if I would have been right going short here. We'll just watch it. Yep, that was 2 points. I was right. I should have went short there. Usually when you have an impulse move, kind of goes sideways, it'll go further down. I like the pattern. Pop it back up though. So how we all doing today? How's the P&L going? Remember the vote in the Christmas tree poll. Wish I'd only taken that one trade and stayed that way. Nice, very nice, RJ. Yep, Dow's continuing to fall. Copper's leveled out a bit. Natural gas not really doing much. Crude back above 83. Looking at a 5-minute chart here for a minute just to see what I could see. All right, Chris. Hey, all right, JC. Have a great day. See you tomorrow. Nice job. Whoa, big move down. So that news, it burst up and then decided it hated it, and that's just driven this market down finally. Oops, what the heck did I just hit? Wow, we were just dropping like a rock. See, if I would have went short there, look at that. Boom. Down 17 points, 18 points since that news candle. NQ down under down to 12,030 and dropping faster. Yep, 500 a day puts you in the top 10% in the United States income-wise. After yesterday, I'm certainly not laughing at, that was a big move yesterday that just kept going and going and going. Still going down. Gold has started a retreat as well. After getting up to 1818, it's pulled back by about 5 points. See that 5-minute candle on NQ is now down 72 points. It's a good trigger candle on the 5-minute there, you see. And an up move yesterday. It's turn back time. Turn back time. I mean, first, we knew Powell was speaking. Burst up. You can see it really didn't have many pullbacks. Here's where he started speaking and immediately burst up 62. And this is the EMA on it. You can see it had one pullback here and then a second one, and then that was the only time it broke the EMA the entire afternoon. It was quite an amazing move. So, based on my strategy, I could have got in here. That would have been the trigger. And that would have been a trigger. But yet, when something's already done that much of a move, how do you trust it that it's going to continue to do that move? Yeah, the trend's your friend, all that. But, I mean, eventually you think it's got to come down at some point. Well, I caught 0% of it. Says the man who's ripped up a finger twice. Really? It's still giving you issues there, Ace? Pushing down. Everything's red now. Hopefully it continues improvement for you though, Ace. I've been rubbing Miracle Grow on my stump, but it hasn't done anything yet. No new foot. So, falling about 40, 50 points now on ES from the top. There's RJ's first level there, I think. The pole's in my way. Move the pole. Not sure why. Anyway, yeah, NQ just hit 990. Blew through that. We have about 40 minutes left on the stream. It's gonna be boring if this goes one direction the entire rest of the way. Continuing to grind down. Dow kind of led the way in this move down today. Poppin', poppin', poppin' fresh dough. A little pop, but so far not much. Market taking a little bit of a breath. Yeah, Ultra Bond coming down as well. The way crude's popped today. Natural gas really popped as well. Wow, it was already back in June. That was way back in June. It seems like it wasn't that long ago. I didn't realize it'd been like 6 months. People still use change? Oh. Little pop there. Got down to 40.57.75. Back up to 40.65. About 8-point pop. uh, so we see ES to come up, trying to pull back a little bit again. Your logo should be an ape with a ace, playing card ace in the middle of his chest. Nice job, Chris. Well, we're talking about apes. Chris is actually making money trading. So popped up a little bit, just continuing down. Down she goes. Down goes ES and then Q. Bitcoin's given up 17,000. We've had a nice day, nice little day there on Lean Hogs. Ooh, excuse me. Usually I get my mic muted before I do that. I think that depends on the age, Ace. uh, moving down further. Moving on down. We hit 40, 57, 75 here. Just hit 40, 57. Oh, never mind. It's just blowing through that. You can see everything is below, all the way down to the bottom of the RSI thing. So I don't really want to go take any shorts. This technically would have been a good short right here as it re-broke this line. But we're so far down here that I really didn't want to do that. It's not that big of a deal. I knew what you meant, Chris. Yep. Jumping on gold sounds like it would hurt. Sounds like something you do on those wacky game shows. Anyway, yeah, gold is riding down nicely here. You riding it down, Speed Racer? Might have a possible bounce here. Taking a long. Let's see if I'm stupid. Nope. Wow, not stupid at all. Target hit, $100, 2 points. Even though it's still showing those orders on screen, that kind of bothers me. Little trade of, I did, you can see the win. So that was a winner. Get those off. Go. Hey, those orders probably disappeared. There we go. Winner, and we're back green on the day. $61. Thank you, Ace. Yeah, I think I'm starting to get this again now. I think I might actually be figuring things out. Yeah, this is what we saw consolidation here. Another move down, sideways. You saw this, this extra line I have here. Went yellow, went purple, back to purple, came back up through the purple. I saw we were above the moving average, and of course we were well extended. Was not going to take anything short there. And I just felt like we were going to get a little bump up here. I also saw that the NASDAQ was moving up, kind of a band bounce as well. So I just went with all those, and then I think this might be a bigger move, but I got my 2 points there. You can feed an ox on 2 points a day. Now it's actually sending me the trigger candle now. You know, at this point, I don't know. I'm not going to take the trade here, but I do got to learn to try and stay in trades a little longer. Back to green on this account by $21 total. I need to make $1,500 before Christmas Eve, because I'm not going to renew this evaluation account. Feel like it's one of those Christmas movies you see on Hallmark or Lifetime where the person's needs to reach a certain goal by Christmas Eve, or they're being put out of business, or the big evil corporate company is going to come in and destroy them, blah blah blah. This is a long, uh, easy for me to say. Long trigger. It's a trigger. That's what it is. See if it goes. Our 2 points. Yes. Sometimes a brunette. Excuse me 1 second. Back. Excuse me. Forty, 62, 25. Nice call, Ace, so far. Very nice call, Ace. Wow. So you got, it looks like you got your 2 points and hopefully you got out. Yeah, that was quick. 2 points and then boom. That buddy just decided to, didn't give you much time there. So obviously this trigger candle was not good. And I did well to get in early and take what it gave me. Taking what they're giving because I'm working for a living. Taking what they're giving because I'm trading for a living. Yeah, I wouldn't go. I'm not doing a short. I mean, it did give me a trigger short back down right there, and it actually would have worked. 63. Then yeah. So the trigger candle back down there would have worked for 2 points, but it would have had to been. That was just. But now at this point, I wouldn't go further short. I don't think. It's kind of wonky right now. Technical trading term, wonky. You see NQ kind of curling up there. Sidewaysness, choppiness. Whatever you want to call it, it's a badness. Wow, look at natural gas all of a sudden. Natural gas falling, wow, $3,000 a contract over the last hour and 20 minutes. Nice bounce there. That was a trigger candle. And it would have worked. I was looking at natural gas. Great job, Speed Racer. Good work on gold there. Have yourself a great day. Excuse me one second. Pushing up. Is my strategy on the Discord channel? No. I keep talking about doing a video on the strategy. I'm probably gonna get that done sometime soon. Still trying to perfect certain parts of it, obviously. But it's very simple. The basis of the strategy is that when the slope of the EMA changes and a candle goes through it, that's a trigger candle. It's just you got to filter out some of the more obvious trigger candles that won't actually work. That's the part I'm working on figuring out. So this would have been a nice trigger. Back up. See, going for at least 2 points easy. Would have got 2, maybe 5. Again, Chris was right about this call about moving up to 12,000 on NQ. See how it's done kind of a up, down, up, down, up. And we're just kind of waiting here. About 10 minutes to go on the stream. It was a fun morning. As of now, ending green. Two wins, one loss today. Yesterday it was 4 wins out of 5 losses. So over the last 2 days, we have 6 wins out of 8, so 75%. George, yes, every day from 7:30 Eastern to 11 Eastern, and then we do one evening stream a week on Mondays at 7:45 Eastern. Jay, the account that I'm trading on stream here is an Elite Trader funding account, 25K account. And then the bot's trading my Tick Tick and my Earn to Trade. And I'm probably going to pick up an Apex before their sale ends. But that'll also be for the bot. Trying to stick to just Tradovate accounts for the stream. So much easier than switching to NinjaTrader and all that. Very nice rise up here. Thank you. There, you just hit that 2020, Chris. Or 12.020, you know what I mean? And still rising. Rising up to 12.035. So basically this is that whole 10:30 reversal. That's about when it started. Hit its low at 10:33. Uh, Ace phones, cell phone. Wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute. Do you have to pay water? Do you have to pay trash? If you stop paying the trash, Ace, you wouldn't have to go running out Tuesday mornings. Looks like we're kind of leveling out here. Yep. Put your trash bag in a big box on your porch. Someone will come around and steal it. Nope. Okay, so is this where we're gonna top out? First red candle. Oh. First sprint, what do you mean, Dace? The pullback. Very nice, Chris. Great day. Glad to hear it. I think, Matt, I think he said he has coyotes nearby. He sees a cougar or two, but he rejects their advances. Ooh, popping up. Wow. Never seen a bear. Did have a bobcat hanging around the area I lived back when I was a kid. Yeah, we lived right across the street from a small area of woods. The bobcat apparently was hanging around there. In our yard a couple of times. Internet, cable, any streaming services, phone, power, gas. Do you have a mortgage or rent? Credit cards?
Oh, very nicey. Yeah, I guess that makes sense. Car payment at all? Or the car's paid? Have a great day, Chris. Oh wow, that's excellent, Ace. Oh, wow, big boost here as we head into the top of the hour. NQ is back up to 12,072. ES back up to 4083. Yeah, I think sounds like you got everything, Ace. Unless you're paying on anything weird that I don't know about. Well, not shouldn't say weird, but just something that's not ordinary. Good, good job, John. Great job. I just look back on my bank account from the prior month to go down the checklist. Have a great day, John, and we'll see you here tomorrow. Remember, non-farm payrolls tomorrow, so gonna be another wild and wacky day. So, I think that's where we're gonna cut it here, guys. Appreciate you all being here. Thank you. We will talk with you tomorrow. Have a great day, everyone, and we'll see you tomorrow. Maybe Ace will have some more bills to pay. Kidding. Yeah, we're very down on likes today. It's a good point. If you haven't hit that like button, I'll appreciate it. Only 16 today. Normally we're above 20. Have a great day, everybody. Talk to you tomorrow. Bye. Thank everyone for joining me today. If you've enjoyed today's content, hope you've hit that like button.
Thinking about
And
the
if you
thumb
haven't
all day,
subscribed
Ace.
yet,
How could you
I'd
forget
love
that?
for you to do so and join the herd. As a reminder, we do stream every weekday morning starting at 7:30 a.m. and we usually go to around 11 a.m. We will also
Pay
love to have you
insurance
join our
at all,
Discord
Ace?
community of both veteran traders and newer traders, prop traders and non-prop traders, all interacting about trading and just general stuff as well. In addition, follow our social media for other updates. We're on Twitter at MightyOxTrading, Instagram is the same, MightyOxTrading, and Reddit is r Ox Market Trading. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day, and we'll see you next time.